Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome to our channel. Today we will talk about the journey of engaging in wooden crafts project ideas enriches the lives of artisans. By showing you a collection of wood furniture and wooden decorative pieces ideas. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. Engaging in wooden crafts offers artisans a profound means of enriching their lives, fostering not only personal growth and creativity, but also a deep sense of fulfillment that stems from the act of creation. The process of transforming raw wood into beautiful, functional pieces allows artisans to explore their artistic visions while honing their skills, resulting in a powerful connection to their work and a sense of pride in their craftsmanship. This journey begins with the selection of wood, where each unique grain and texture sparks inspiration and invites artisans to envision the possibilities that lie ahead. As they run their hands over the material, they develop an intimate relationship with it, appreciating its natural beauty and potential. This tactile engagement serves as a reminder of the artistry inherent in woodworking and the importance of honoring the material, which in turn cultivates respect for the environment and the resources they use. The act of crafting itself becomes a meditative practice for many artisans, offering a sanctuary from the stresses of everyday life. The rhythmic motions of cutting, shaping, and sanding wood create a flow state, where time seems to dissolve and worries fade into the background. In these moments of focus and concentration, artisans find solace and clarity, allowing them to reconnect with themselves and their creative instincts. This mindfulness not only enhances their crafting experience but also spills over into other aspects of their lives, leading to greater emotional resilience and a more balanced approach to challenges. The therapeutic nature of woodworking provides artisans with an outlet for self-expression, where they can channel their thoughts, feelings, and experiences into tangible creations that reflect their identities and emotions. Moreover, the process of working with wood fosters a sense of accomplishment and empowerment. Each completed project serves as a testament to the artisan's dedication, skill, and creativity. Whether it's a handcrafted table, a set of intricately designed coasters, or a custom piece of furniture, the final product represents countless hours of labor, thought, and passion. This tangible result of their hard work provides artisans with a sense of pride and achievement that boosts their self-esteem and reinforces their belief in their capabilities. The satisfaction derived from creating something beautiful and functional reinforces the notion that they are capable of turning ideas into reality, encouraging them to take on new challenges and explore their creativity further. Additionally, the collaborative nature of woodworking often enriches artisans' lives by fostering connections with others who share their passion. Many artisans find themselves part of a community where they can exchange ideas, share techniques, and provide support to one another. This network of fellow crafters creates an environment of encouragement and inspiration, where individuals are motivated to push their boundaries and explore new possibilities. The friendships formed through shared experiences in crafting can be deeply fulfilling, providing a sense of belonging and camaraderie that enhances the overall crafting experience. Whether it's through local workshops, online forums, or social media groups, artisans can connect with like-minded individuals who understand their journeys and celebrate their successes, creating a rich tapestry of relationships that complements their individual pursuits. The impact of wooden crafts extends beyond the individual artisan, as the creations they produce often enrich the lives of those around them. Handcrafted wooden items hold a special significance that mass-produced goods often lack. When artisans create pieces for friends, family, or clients, they infuse each item with intention and care, resulting in meaningful gifts and cherished heirlooms. The act of giving a handmade gift carries emotional weight, as it signifies thoughtfulness and effort that goes beyond mere consumerism. Recipients often appreciate the story behind the piece, the craftsmanship involved, and the personal touch that comes from knowing the maker. This connection between the artisan and the recipient fosters relationships and shared memories, deepening the impact of the work and enriching both parties' lives. Moreover, as artisans develop their skills and expand their repertoire of techniques, they often find new ways to express their creativity and individuality. The journey of mastering woodworking is one of continuous learning, where each project presents an opportunity to experiment with different styles, joinery methods, and finishing techniques. This exploration not only enhances their technical abilities but also encourages them to discover their unique voice as artisans. The freedom to innovate and create allows artisans to break away from traditional norms and push the boundaries of their craft, resulting in distinctive pieces that reflect their personalities and artistic visions. This sense of exploration is invigorating, fueling their passion for woodworking and leading to a deeper understanding of their craft. Dear viewers, are enjoying today's content? We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel. Engagement in wooden crafts also promotes sustainability and environmental awareness, as many artisans prioritize eco-friendly practices in their work. By choosing sustainably sourced wood and utilizing non-toxic finishes, artisans demonstrate a commitment to preserving the environment while creating beautiful pieces. This mindful approach to craftsmanship enriches their lives by instilling a sense of purpose and responsibility. As they create items that are not only aesthetically pleasing but also environmentally conscious, artisans become advocates for sustainability within their communities. This commitment to ethical practices fosters a deeper connection to the materials they use and encourages others to consider the impact of their consumption choices, creating a ripple effect that extends beyond individual crafting practices. The business aspects of woodworking also contribute to the enrichment of artisans' lives, as many find joy in sharing their creations with the world. Whether selling their work at local craft fairs, establishing an online store, or taking custom orders, artisans can transform their passion into a viable source of income. This entrepreneurial spirit not only provides financial rewards but also validates their skills and creativity. Successfully marketing their work and connecting with customers fosters a sense of accomplishment and reinforces their belief in the value of handmade goods. Moreover, the feedback and appreciation received from customers serve as powerful motivators, encouraging artisans to continue honing their craft and exploring new avenues for creativity. As artisans navigate the challenges and triumphs of their woodworking journeys, they often find that their work serves as a source of inspiration and motivation for others. By sharing their experiences, techniques, and stories, artisans can encourage others to explore their own creativity and engage in the world of woodworking. This mentorship role enriches their lives by allowing them to give back to the community that has supported them throughout their journey. The opportunity to inspire and guide others creates a sense of fulfillment that transcends personal achievement, reinforcing the idea that craftsmanship is not just about individual success, but also about uplifting and empowering others to pursue their passions. Furthermore, the legacy of craftsmanship established by artisans who engage in woodworking can have a lasting impact on future generations. As artisans pass down their skills and knowledge to their children, students, or apprentices, they contribute to the preservation of traditional techniques and the appreciation for handmade goods. This transmission of knowledge fosters a sense of continuity and connection to the past, allowing future artisans to build upon the foundations laid by their predecessors. The act of teaching and sharing insights enriches artisans' lives by creating a sense of purpose and responsibility to nurture the next generation of crafters, ensuring that the art of woodworking continues to thrive. In conclusion, the journey of engaging in wooden crafts enriches the lives of artisans in multifaceted ways, encompassing personal growth, creativity, community connection, and a commitment to sustainability. The act of transforming wood into beautiful, functional pieces allows artisans to explore their artistic visions while honing their skills, resulting in a profound connection to their work. The therapeutic nature of crafting fosters mindfulness, enabling artisans to find solace and clarity in the creative process. As they build relationships within a supportive community, they gain inspiration and encouragement that enhances their overall experience. The impact of their creations extends beyond themselves, enriching the lives of those who receive their handmade items and fostering deeper connections between maker and recipient. The continuous journey of learning and exploration in woodworking fuels their passion and allows them to discover their unique voice as artisans. Through their commitment to sustainability, artisans contribute to a broader movement of environmental awareness, reinforcing the importance of mindful consumption. The entrepreneurial spirit that accompanies their craft provides financial rewards and validation for their skills, while the opportunity to inspire and mentor others creates a sense of fulfillment that transcends personal achievement. Ultimately, the legacy of craftsmanship established by artisans shapes the future of woodworking, ensuring that the beauty and artistry of handmade wooden crafts continue to thrive for generations to come. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked for wooden craft projects for home styling and selling. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally,